Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video showing you how to do a middle school, a high school, or a college person's makeup. This is all about preference. If you don't like something that I did, you can either take out or add in what you would normally do. It's all about, how you want to wear your own makeup. But I'm just going to do what, I would imagine a middle school or high school or a college student can wear to school, So like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'm finna just, add product onto my face and kind of build it up as the levels of education get higher. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. So we're gonna start with middle school makeup. It's not, so dramatic, but it's a little something. So to begin this look, I'm starting off with this illuminizing moisturizer from Glam Glow, and I use this because it really lightens the face and it just gives you that glow. Okay, you're not doing too much, you don't have to add concealer. This kind of gives your face a little oomph. And then I add mascara, very simple. Next I add brow gel, just to keep those brows in place all day. We're not filling them in or anything dramatic or hard to do. Next I'm adding my favorite lip balm, and that's pretty much it for this look. Next is the high school look, and this is literally 2 extra steps that I did to enhance the look from what I did for the middle school makeup. So for this look, I put on some false eyelashes. This may take some practice, and once you get it, you can do it in like 3 minutes. So I just put on some natural looking eyelashes and applied a lip color. It's matte, you don't feel it on the lips, but it's just pretty. Lastly, we're going to be doing the college makeup look. This is super simple and easy and glowy. You get everything in one, but it's very, very, few steps that I added to the high school look. So for this look, I'm adding this Bare Minerals powder concealer under my eyes, and I haven't used this in a while, but after using it in this video, I actually really like it. It just brightens up the eye, and it's super lightweight because it's a powder, but it still gives you that coverage that you want. Next, I'm going to be cream contouring. Now, I only cream contoured my nose just to make it more prominent when I go back to add bronzer. So I did that, blended it out, and next I'm adding this Bare Minerals tinted veil just to set everything down and mattify my whole face. And then I wasn't able to record this because I ran out of space on my phone, but I bronzed my skin with some powder bronzer, and then make sure you blend all the way down to your neck so everything matches. And then I set my face with the Mario Badescu setting spray, and after that applied a very, very natural highlighter just to make everything come together. So those are all the 3 makeup looks that I did for back to school. Thanks again for watching.